In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all of your TikTok reposts at once. So the first thing we're going to do is just load up the TikTok app and then click on the repost button in the navigation bar. Now obviously the first way to go and delete a repost is just to click on the video. You can then click on the share button in the bottom right hand side and you can always click on remove post. Now, the only thing with using this method is if you have multiple reposts, then obviously this is going to take a long time to go and achieve. So if you have hundreds or thousands of reposts that you want to delete all at once, then what you'll need to do is click on the settings bar in the top right hand side, click on settings and privacy, scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and select report a problem. Click on creation, then scroll down and select saving video. Click on issue with saved videos and click on the no button. Click on need more help, select account, select I want to delete my reposts, then select the thumbs down button for not helpful. Now just go and type in yes and press send. Type in I want to delete all my reposts and then go and press send. Now you're going to get the same response. Once again, thumbs down this message, type in no and press send. Now type in yes and press send, then just type in no and press send. And after a couple of incorrect responses, you should get this option to submit a ticket. Click on this. Then just type in, hi TikTok support team, I'm writing to inform you that I have too many reposted videos and I would like to remove them all at once. Then just go and click submit. Now, after a couple of working days, the TikTok team will be able to go into your account and go and remove all of those reposted videos. So that's it, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.